Hey everyone, it's Average Joe PC, and today we're going to fill shapes with text using Inkscape. Now you could want to do this to make a poster print to hang on your wall, or use on a plotter cutter like a Cricut or a silhouette machine for other craft projects. First things first, if you don't already have Inkscape, you're going to need to download it, and I'll leave a link for that in the description box. Now once Inkscape is open, you're going to either want to draw a shape to fill, or open a shape you already have. Once we have our shape opened, we're going to want to add our text. Make sure when you do this, your text is all in one continuous line, as it may not work well otherwise. Now that our text is in there, make sure it's the font that you want and a different color than our shape so we don't lose it in the background. With the selector tool, select the text and then hold Shift and select your shape. Now that they are both selected, click on the Node tool and then click on Text at the top of your window, and in the drop-down select Flow into Frame. Now you may need to go back and forth with this step to get the fit right with your font size, and you can also adjust the spacing between letters if it's pretty close already. And I suggest switching the text alignment to center depending on the shape being filled. Alright, if that looks good and it's all you need, then you can save it as a JPEG, PNG, or SVG and call it a day. But if you want it to have that little extra, stay tuned because we're going to warp the text and fill out our shape a little bit better. So we're going to make sure we have our text layer selected in the Layers tab, and then we're going to click on Path at the top of the window and select Path Effects. And then go to that window when it opens up and click on Convert Text to Path. Then at the Add Live Path Effect line, we're going to click the down arrow and select Envelope Deformation. We're going to start with the bottom of this, so I'm going to go to Bottom Bend Path and select Edit on Canvas so we can manipulate our text in the window. This starts with just 2 nodes, one on each end, and depending on your shape, that may be enough. You can add more by double-clicking anywhere on the line, but remember, it may make it more difficult to get your desired fill. Also remember, Ctrl-Z is your friend, just in case you don't like the move you just made. Now, rinse and repeat this step for the sides and top as you need to. Once you're done, go over to the Layers tab and either delete the shape layer or just make it invisible. And now either save your file as a PNG or an SVG depending on your needs. And congratulations! You now have a completely custom piece of artwork for your enjoyment. If this video was helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. If there's a video you'd like to see, leave a request in the comments and I'll do my best to get to it. And if you want to support the channel, check out the merch link in the description box.